Hi everyone! Today I'm making a sweet Christmas wreath. This is one of my favorite pastries during the winter. The dough is filled with delightful flavor and aromas of poppy seeds, orange zest and walnuts. Created it in an incredible treat. So let's get started.
Mix to combine 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of light granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Next, add 1 medium egg, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and zest from 1 orange, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and half teaspoon of salt. Stir them a little. Then incorporate 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. Gradually add flour. First knead the dough with a spoon, then with your hands. You can also use a stand mixer. Knead the dough until smooth and pulls away from the side of the bowl. Cover and let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. Then knead the dough again for a few minutes. Add some oil to a bowl. Cover and let the dough rest about 1 hour in warm place until doubled in size. Meanwhile, I am preparing a filling. 1 cup of toasted walnuts placed in a food processor and finely chopped. Set it aside. After 1 hour, the dough has rested. Sprinkle a little flour on the work surface. Then roll the dough into a 12 by 18 inch rectangle. Spread 4 tablespoons of apricot jam and chopped walnuts. Feel free to use any kind of nuts, dried fruit and jam of choice. Roll up the dough. Use a knife to cut the log in half lengthwise. Start braiding the two pieces. Keep the open layer on top. Pin the ends together and form a wreath. Transfer it to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover and let it rest for about 20 minutes. After that, brush it with beaten egg. And bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Our wreath is baked. Let it cool down on a wire rack. Once the Christmas wreath has cooled, we're ready to test it. Either way, this treat will be a welcome addition to the holiday table. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.